Hi there, thanks for watching this video. So today I just would like to show you how a public page link can be placed inside a Zendesk macro. Yeah. And the reason for doing that is that very often when the agent would like to allow customers to upload attachments, they also want to add a customized message. Yeah. We know that Snapcall applies one by default, but of course, we understand that it might be not always the ideal one, not in all the situation. Yeah. And we, of course, know that each organization has some macros. Yeah. And of course, in some of those situations, in some of those macros, it could be actually very useful to add a link on the public page so that the customers will have the possibility to upload attachments. Yeah. So let's see how to do that step by step. Yeah. So first of all, from the Snapcall dashboard, what we want to do, we want to configure the public page. Yeah, so you can find these options under the integration tab on the left side. Yeah, so once you open that page, you will have the possibility to customize the public page. And let's say that we would like customers to be able to record their screen. Yeah, so all we need to do is just to make sure that this option is on the active tab, and then once done, we publish changes. Yeah. Not only that, we just copy the link of the public page and we also open it as a customer. Yeah. The reason of that is that I would like you to copy the exact link that will allow customers to be redirected to this page, which is what we wanted. Yeah, we don't want customers to lose themselves within 1,000 options that maybe we already configure in our public page. Yeah. So the next step after that is to create a macro. Yeah, and you can do from the admin panel on Zendesk. You can type macro over here, and then you'll find the options just under agent tools. Yeah. So just to show you how the end result will look like, I just opened a macro that we already created on our Zendesk environment. So what is important here to do? So the macro name and the description, it can be up to you really, and as well as the message that you would like to add on the macro. Yeah, and just referring to the first sentence over here. So this one you can change in whatever way you would like to. Yeah. So after that, what is important to do is to add the link on the public page, yeah, which is what we copied just earlier. Yeah. Another very important thing to do is to add a few dynamic field. Yeah. So what are dynamic field? These are just, they are just field that you can add inside the URL, and this will be dynamic according, for example, to the name of the customers or to the email address of the customer, etc., etc. You can actually use placeholder functionality of Zendesk to do that. Yeah. So in this case, what I did, for example, I added the dynamic field ticket ID equal to, and this is the placeholder that Zendesk will allow me to add. In this case, this dynamic field is very important, yeah, so that as soon as the customer will click on a link, Snapcall will understand what is the ticket ID, and so we'll be able to place all the attachments inside the specific ticket, yeah, which is as well what we want. We don't want an agent to look around attachments that customers might have uploaded in other tickets or in the dashboard of Snapcall. We want the attachments to be inside the ticket, yeah. And by the way, there are more dynamic fields that we can add. For example, customer email. So it would be customer email equal to, and here you can set up the placeholder by clicking over here. Yeah. For example, current user email. That can be the one. So we can just copy over here. Yeah. So this is one of the way of adding another field. So in this case, Snapcall will also know the email address of the customer so that the customer won't have to type it on the page that we saw before. Yeah. So that's also another additional value. So as soon as this is done, the end result will be basically the following. So I can just go to the macro, add Snapcall media, and basically, as you can see, the field ticket ID is being populated with the correct value. Yeah. And so Snapcall will be able to place the attachments inside this specific ticket. So I hope it was helpful, but in case you have any questions or you have any comment, please feel free to reach out and to drop a message to our widget. And yeah, have a great day.